How to save a favorite order on Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save a favorite order on the Starbucks app so you can reorder your go-to drink or snack with just a tap. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the order tab to begin a new order. And now here, once you're inside the order tab, you can select your favorite drink or food item. You can tap customize to change the milk size, syrups or toppings just how you like it. And once it's customized, you can tap add to order to place it in your cart. And after that, you can just tap on the cart icon at the top and then tap on the heart icon next to the item you want to save as your favorite. And here, to reorder in the future, you can just hit to your favorites and tap the item to add it instantly to your cart. And that's it. That's how you can save your favorite Starbucks order for quick reordering. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.